how to move elements on Webflow. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply select your elements and you can simply drag them around. So as you can see, I have this image here. So I can simply drag this around and place it wherever I want, or I can simply go to the navigator tab on the left side, and as you can see, we have different sections. So we have the hero section, which is here at the top. So we have the navigation bar, then we have this section here. As you can see, we have the arrow, then we have this content, so we have the text and the button. So we can simply move this around and we can select it, and as you can see, we can place it wherever we want, and we can also, as you can see, change the position if we want. So basically, this is how you can move elements on Webflow. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.